I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they'd just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for.
What do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore.
This is war. What are we waiting for? Why don't we break the rules already? I was never one to believe the hype. Stay up for the black and white. Tried twice as hard and I'm half as like. But here they come again to jack my stride.
Yeah, but that's alright. I found a martyr in my bed tonight. She stops my bones from wondering just who I am, who I am, who I am. Well, who am I? No. Whoa.
Well, some nights I wish that this all would end, 'cause I could use some friends for a change. And some nights I'm scared you'll forget me again. Some nights I always wait. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost.
I miss my mom and dad for this.
No. When I see stars, when I see stars, that's all they are. And when I hear songs, they sound like this one. So come on. Not for the folks at home. Sorry to leave, mom, I got to go. But who the fuck wants to die alone, all dried up in the desert sun?
My heart is breaking for my sister and the calm that she called love. When I look into my nephew's eyes, man, you wouldn't believe